Programming 301, Lesson 7 walkthrough. I'm going to start right here at the deflect the fireball, which is the second level. This gives us all the code that we need. So it's already got a bunch of code in it. What we're going to add to the fireball is that when it is touching the ghost, if the costume name of the ghost is equal to ghost 2, so it's only when he's in that one face, that will have him turn, the fireball turn 180 degrees. So it'll look just like this. So he can deflect if he's in that direction. And then deflect the fireball too. This one we're going to program the knight to deflect the fireball using his attack. So we're working on the fireball here, and we're going to say when the fireball is touching the knight, if the costume number of the knight is less than 9, then we're going to turn that 180 degrees. And then the knight, we need to program him to attack. So we have on starts, we're going to switch to stand, but when we press the space bar, we'll switch to the attack 1 costume, and then we'll repeat 8 times, and we'll wait. We'll go through all 8 of his attack costumes, waiting a little bit between to change to give that illusion of movement. So if we play the game now, if you press your space bar, you can deflect the fireball. If you stand still, it'll go right through you. If you have the space bar and you can deflect it. And then defeat the trolls. So this one's a little tricky. So knights attack costumes are 10 through 17, and the fireball should deflect randomly between 150 and 210. So we're going to do when touching knight. Where are you? When the fireball is touching the knight, we need to check if the costume number of the knight, so we're going to say costume number of knight. You can just choose him from your drop down here. There's a drop down here, by the way. I didn't have to type that in. Costume number of knight. Oops, and I missed part of this. We have to check for a greater than. So we want to know if that costume number is greater than 9. That means we're using one of our attack poses. Then we need to check another if. So I need another one here inside, and we need this again. And I want to know if 18 is greater than the costume number of the knight. Costume number of knight. Then I'm going to turn, and I'm going to pick a random number between the numbers that they gave me, 150 and 210, which they gave so fast it was hard to see. But now we're going to play, and if I am pressing my spacebar, I can deflect the fireballs to try and get rid of the witch's little minions. Wondering if I'm ever going to get this last one down here, though. Come on, give me the lower end. Oof. There we go. And fireball tennis. This one, it walks us through most of what we need to do. So we're going to first deflect on the knight. So we're going to go to the knight's code, and in here I'm going to say, fireball first here. Fireball, when touching knight, if the costume of the knight is less than 9, I'm going to point it towards the Valkyrie and play the breathing fire sound. And then same thing, but for the Valkyrie. So when the Valkyrie, or the fireball's touching the Valkyrie, if it's less than 9, point towards the knight, play a sound. And then you want to play it with a partner. So WASD is going to control the Valkyrie, and the arrow keys will control the knight. That didn't work. There we go. Bounce it. So this is hard when you're the only one playing it. Enter key is the fight for the knight, and the space bar is the fight for her. So if you're not moving out of the way, this is just going to keep going back and forth right now. But it's like playing tennis. Pretty easy. Don't forget to take the quiz.